Oh, she likes to pack.
It's our time to pack with Madison. Our time to pack with Madison. Our time to pack with Madison. Pack, hello, hello. What should we do, Sophia?
Serafina. Serafina. Do you want to clap or snap? Just pat. Oh, well, what do you want to pat? You want to pat your feet, your knees, your head?
Can you pat your elbows? You want to try? No?
How about both?
What do you want to pet? Tell me.
Okay. Let's pat again our knees. Yeah. It's our time to pat to Serafina. Our time to pat with Serafina. It's our time to pat with Serafina. Pat, hello, hello. What do you want to do, Alexander?
Oh, I love to kick.
It's our time to kick Alexander. It's our time to kick Alexander. It's our time to kick Alexander. Kick, hello, hello. What's something we can do, Audrey? You want to clap?
Audrey likes to clap. Yeah.
It's our time to clap with Audrey. Our time to clap with Audrey. Our time to clap with Audrey. Clap, hello, hello. What's something you'd like to do, Landon?
Then I have to pat his belly.
Ooh, we're gonna pat our belly.
Next slide.
It's our time to pat with Landon. Our time to pat with Landon. Our time to pat with Landon. Pat, hello, hello. What should we do, Raylan? Do you want to jump? Raylan loves to jump. You ready?
You want to jump
It's
too?
our